So this is what you're going to be looking for when you go to the dollar store. It's a 2-pack with the large one and then the travel size one. Now, this larger one is not at all usable for a Victory Roll hair tool. However, the smaller one, and here's what you want to look for. You want to see down the middle of it, okay? So you want to be able to see that there is nothing in here. Okay, take that off. So that's what it's going to look like. Okay. Now, these are fairly easy to just bend off if you want it to. But what you're going to do is you're going to take a pair of scissors. Okay. And we're just going to cut you want to cut out these little pieces here. And last cut. Okay. So this is roughly what it's going to look like now. And then these little guys here, you can either cut off with scissors, or if you feel more comfortable taking something like a pair of nail clippers, by all means, do that. So we're going to cut those off too. Okay. Now I cut them off at, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a little ridge here, a little line here. So I cut them off just above it. And then I'm going to take a nail file. If you have sandpaper, use sandpaper. And I'm just going to go back and forth and file down any of the rough spots. Now, I can tell you from doing this that this tool is going to be just a bit different than the one that I made, than the blue one. This one is actually a stronger plastic, and this one a little bit more flexible. All right, so I'm filing down and just all those little rough edges. I'm just filing them down. Okay, so I definitely think that the tools have changed. Well, I call them tools, but that the lint rollers have changed since I last purchased one. So it's a different quality, so just be warned. Okay. So there it is. It's pretty smooth. Now, that's it. Okay? So what you're going to want to do is when you are rolling your hair, and of course you can't see me right now, but what you want to do is you want to take a bit of hair, not too big, not too small, and you are going to just kind of start and roll it in. Bring any hair that is falling out, any loose hairs, bring those in too. Okay? Now you can see that my hair has made this kind of squish in tighter. Now it'll do that with the stronger one too. But here's what I do. I get it started, okay? And then I get my finger in there. and then I can roll with my finger still in place.